Hello, I'm here at the new St. Xavier School, Bihariganj, and here I can see here there are a Rangoli competition organized here by the school of the senior students, and they have making some Rangoli. Let's talk about it. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Makkari.
Well, all of you can sit here. Sit on. So, what are you making here?
We are making peacock
Okay.
in the form of Rangoli
Yes.
with many colorful colors like this. You can see, sir.
Yes, it's wonderful. So, what would you say about your school that they have organized here the Rangoli competition? So, what would you say?
Sir, it's a very wonderful school. And the name of this school is the New St. Xavier School.
Okay.
Makkari, Madhepura.
Yes. So, what would you say about this Rangoli competition, Anu?
Sir, it's a very grateful opportunity for us.
Yes. Yes.
We have given a chance to show our talent other than studies.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good. What do you think about your school and directors and about school management?
There is a great school named New St. Xavier School, Bihariganj, Madhepura. Our director sir is very good, and we sponsor our amazing name, Mr. Vikas.
Okay. So, do they cooperate in your class as well as in other activities?
Yeah, they cooperate.
Sure. So, you all are happy here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.